So I've made a little mod to the C1 Chaser. I've pulled the motor mount off and just moved the whole motor mount inside back so that that is flush with the back surface, puts the motor further away from the trailing edge. Changed to a smaller diameter prop, that's 7 by 4.5, hopefully to make it a bit quieter, because these are very noisy when the prop's nice and close to the trailing edge. And I want to check the efficiency too, so let's go for a flight and see how it is. Just get myself organised. And the reception isn't great. Let's direct my camera the right way, direct my head the right way. 2 or 3 amps, 30% throttle, and that's flying around nicely. It is quite windy. There's a lawnmower contractor out there. See that little patch? So I would normally fly from over there, but not when the lawnmower man's there. But that's good. It means I'll have a good short grass to fly later on. But look at this, 3 amps, and it's nice and quiet too. This is good. I'll fly nearby so we can hear it, although that it's purring rather than growling, I'd say. When the prop's close to the trailing edge, you get this really harsh, growly sound, but that's just purring. This is good, I like it. Estimated wind strength down there in the bottom right hand corner, 33 kilometres an hour. It's a fair bit of wind up there. So that's a worthwhile mod, moving the motor mount further back so the motor is sticking out behind the trailing edge. I like it. And 7 by 4.5 prop, 4S 2212 1100 kV motor. That's a good combo. Sunny sky motor.
Angle mode.
Should keep it on angle mode when I'm distracted. I only have a linear antenna on my goggles and a patch, but my patch isn't pointing the right way, so reception's not brilliant. My angle mode's descending a bit. I might need to adjust that. Sort of centre of gravity changes. No, it's going up and down. Might just be wind turbulence. Yeah, it is climbing under angle mode now. Throttle back a bit and it's staying steady at 100 or so metres. Coming down a bit. Nice and quiet. I really like this. Smaller prop and placed further away from the trailing edge. Alright, I'll bring it in. Very good.